Eagles and witches, I'm here all the way in Winter Haven at the Moose Lodge for Ominous Descent. This is the first year that Ominous Descent is returning after the pandemic. New location over here in Winter Haven at the Moose Lodge. I'm so excited. We have a haunted trail to check out. I think we have some other fun stuff going on for us. I am here for the meeting night, so thank you so much for inviting me out. I'm excited to take you guys with me. Let's go. Hey guys, I am all checked in for the event. They already have some music going. They got some light food out for us. The haunt is starting to get up and running. They officially open at 7:30, so I'm a little early. But so far, so good. Looks pretty cool. Guys, I just want to show you a little bit of how like this whole little event is laid out. We got like the lake behind us here. This is not the haunt, obviously, but it is on a Moose Lodge. There is, you know, lodging situation. There is the hut behind me that's going to be open for like food and drinks during the event. The actual haunt itself is all the way back there. The trail, it's all the way back there. I'm probably gonna add some footage in there too. You guys are gonna see it too. But yeah, it's a cute little area. Look how pretty. This lighting is everything. Hello.
Oh, the fog's rolling in too.
Fog is rolling in. I'm very zoomed in. Hello. The fog is rolling in. The chainsaws are revving. It's time to get our haunt on. Let's do.
Not so awesome, but we're back now. Thank you all for coming. What we're going to do is I'm going to run through the house, check on the address real quick. We'll say there is going to be more after this week down. I'm going to call down by the hunt, but since the hurricane and everything like that is going to need a break, we wanted to focus on the house. We're going to make sure we made it awesome for you guys. You can see the haunt. Celebrate that with us. We're going to kind of give it a few more minutes to let the lights kind of die down a little bit if you're okay with that. And then we'll let you go through in groups of your media groups, however you want to go through. It's fine. If you want to split, we're fine with that as well.
We just had our introduction to the haunt. It is behind me right here. We are able to film inside, but it has to be selfie style, so you guys can see my lovely face going through this house. But I'm excited. We're waiting for the lights to go down a little bit more outside. We're gonna get in, but it's gonna be good.
Hello, how are you?
Here we go. I have Alex and Toe behind me. It's gonna be good. Oh God, oh wow. Oh, bodies in there. Oh, the radio. Technical issues, okay. Oh, hi. Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey. Oh my God. Hi. I'm like actually scared, guys. Like I'm like, hi. Like I'm actually a little, it's loud. It's loud. I'm a little hesitant for this haunt. Ooh, we're outside. Air cannons. Ooh, okay. Okay. Like a garage. Alright. Okay. Hi. Okay. I think we're through here. I think we're through here. Oh my God, it's dark. Oh my God, what's the smell? Ooh, oh my God. It's giving
I know you took him.
I didn't say nothing, I promise. I promise. Maybe him. Oh my God. It's giving like Texas Chainsaw, like that rustic. The outside. Oh my God. I'm so scared. Holy shit. Oh. Wow. I'm like scared to walk forward. Oh, a toilet. And a head. Smelly. Oh, she's real. I'm sorry. Why would you help me? Not a doctor. You belong to me. You guys didn't know to sing along. Oh, we're back up. Hi! Oh, hi. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like, I think I see someone. Hello. Oh, swings. Fun. Very fun. This way? This way, it's like a greenhouse. Watch your head, hun. Not for tall people, but I am short. Even me short, it's like... They're behind me. Okay.
I knew it.
Oh my god. Why am I so scared? Holy shit. Hello. Hi. Hi. Wow. That's a cool sound. Oh my god. They did tell us that this trail takes about 10 to 15 minutes to go through, so we're in for a long time. Oh god, I really cannot see this way. Hi. Hi. Oh, I see a light. What is it? It's a puppy? Hi.
It's a badge?
I hear like, I don't know. Oh my god, it's so dark. Holy shit. Okay. 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 We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Wow. 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 See? It's like Texas Chainsaw. I love it. Oh my god, he's right there. Hello. Oh wow. Hi. Very cool. Wow. Wow. Wow, the swamp. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Oh. Holy cannolis. What is that? Gator! Oh my god!
It's the depths.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Holy shit, this is so cool. Oh no, 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 they're in here.
You hear that?
They're in here. They're in the swamp. Whoa. I hear rattling and I really hope it's like the sounds and not... Oh my god. Oh my god, they're in the water. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hello? Hello? Hi. Okay, I hope I'm going the right way. Oh, it's thick soup. Thick soup. Ooh. Hi! 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 Okay. 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 Ah! Oh, hi! Hello? Are you okay? Oh my god. Hello? Oh wow. Oh wow. Uh-oh. It's coming towards me. Oh my god. Are we out? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
You made it.
Are we done? Is that it?
So?
Oh my god. I barely survived. It was so good. It was so rustic. Texas chainsaw core, swamp core, like the scares. It's just that rugged scare, you know. I don't think I've ever been so scared in a trail before. Holy shit. So I just want to show you guys a quick look at the merch table here at Ominous Descent. They got the Harris Lake House, which is the name of the actual haunted trail itself. They got some hoodies, t-shirts, koozies for cans and the bottles. Well, this one's cute. Wow. Sam's Spooky Closet out here with some cute little spooky mystery boxes, some cute koozies. Go Canes. Lots of cute little stuff here. Ooh, some cups. Never have enough cups. So cute. Wow. Well, that wraps up my time here at Ominous Descent. It wrecked me. I would definitely recommend making the journey out here to Winter Haven Moose Lodge. I believe they open next week, so October 4th, I believe is their opening date, someday in October. But yeah, come check it out, guys. I don't like it's legit. It's legit. It's scary. Come check it out. But till next time, guys, I leave for California this week. I'm so excited. I still need to pack. But I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'll be taking you guys with me as well to California with videos and postings and all that. So make sure, if you guys are not following Haunt Girls yet, make sure you are. Like and subscribe to keep up with everything. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
It's spooky season, 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 spooky season.